If you're looking for a barbecue side dish that's going to steal the show, we've got the recipe for you. We're firing up our Lone Star Grillz Santa Maria for some flame-kissed corn salad. It's smoky, sweet, and bursting with flavor. For this recipe, you'll need about 5 to 6 fresh cobs of corn. De-husk, rinse, and allow to dry. Then coat them well with olive oil and hit them up with a generous amount of our LSG South of the border. Or you can use your favorite rub. Once these are fully coated on all sides, it's time to fire up the Santa Maria. For today's cook, we'll be building a small to medium-sized fire using a mixture of oak and hickory. Allow it to preheat for just a few minutes and then get your corn onto the grill grates. Our Santa Maria grill allows you to raise and lower the grates closer or further from the fire. So adjust during the cook as needed to get that perfect amount of char that you love. It'll typically take about 20 to 30 minutes for the corn to develop color, begin to tenderize, and develop some char. Then just remove it from the grill and rest it in some foil for about 15 minutes to make it nice and tender. Now you can carefully slice the corn off the cob and get it into a bowl. Add just about a tablespoon of olive oil, 1 cup chopped red bell pepper, 1 cup chopped orange bell pepper, 1/2 cup chopped onion, 1 cup of chopped tomato, and another dusting of our south of the border rub. Give all that a good mix. Garnish with a little parsley and serve it up. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, give us a call or check out our links below. See you on the next one.